If you want to boost your battery life and stop drain fast on your Google Pixel 9, so first of all, let's swipe down from the top right corner and do not forget to turn off all the features which you are not using in the moment. So such as Bluetooth, your mic access, camera access, your location, anything like that. After that, open up your settings, open up your network and internet, and here turn off your hotspot. Basically, turn everything off. Especially if you're not using them. Then let's go to our display and touch. In our display and touch, turn off your adaptive brightness and set up a low brightness level. I won't do that for now because I want my phone to be clearly seen on video, but the lower your brightness, less you use your battery. You can also turn on the dark theme for OLED displays because it's, once again, it saves up some memory. Here you can enable your screensaver, right? You can enable your night light if you want to. Also, I forget to tell one thing, that in our settings, let's look at our location. First of all, turn off your location if you haven't do that yet, because it takes a lot of your memory as well. Great. Let's keep up. Let's go to our battery settings. So here is our battery settings. I recommend you using your battery percentage, so you would see your battery. You can run some tests to see why your battery draining too quickly or your phone is very warm, right? Also recommend you to use your charging optimization, and you can turn on your battery saver. You can use your standard battery saver or extreme battery saver. Also scroll down to adaptive battery and make sure that it's turned on, because this feature is very useful and it saves up a lot of battery capacity. Well, also as the last tab, we can turn off all the like notifications and turn off all the unnecessary features such as lift up to check phone or tap to check phone. We can turn off our always on display as well. Right, so turn all of that and your phone will be good to go. Here is some tip. Try to keep your battery somewhere between 20 and 80% to maintain its health. And basically, the main rule, if you do not use this feature, simply turn it off. It will be better for your phone. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.